Hi guys, it's Bouncing Fig here, and we are at Limapulo. We are at Old Klang Road. Really delicious Baba Nyonya/Peranakan food. So basically a mixture of Malay/Chinese influences.
First and foremost, I would like to thank my godfather, who's Baba John. People refer him as Uncle John. So he's also my role model, and he's also my business partner. He taught me about this recipe. Alright, I'm not a Baba, but my godfather is a true blue Baba, 100% Baba from Malacca. And his other half is also a Nyonya.
A lot of people are going to debate what's good, what's not, what's authentic. But what's important for me is how people are carrying on that love for food, but also bringing their heritage towards the future.
Traditional food. A lot of work, hassle, and not many younger people would like to do it. So here am I. You know, my objective is to prolong this legacy and also to keep this culinary art, which is going to be extinct.
Hi, this is your Tropicana and Volcano Cham.
Beautiful little mocktail to go with it. Got a bit of lemongrass to stir it up. Stir it up.
Oh, I love it. I love this place.
Okay guys, we've got the Nyonya Laksa, which is a very unique type of laksa, and they've got a little bit of coconut milk and different type of spices, because in Malaysia and many parts of Asia we've got different types of laksa, which is actually basically soup with broth, vegetables and meat, and it's a bit of a curryish, very fragrant broth, because we've got things like bunga kantan, which is beautiful ginger torch flour. Look at that. So this is rice vermicelli, which is bihun in Malay, or Malaysian in our Malaysian language. Let's try it. Oh.
So we don't use curry powder.
Yes, we did.
Use our own flavors, our own spices. People that knows how to cook, roughly they know what kind of ingredient that we put in, right? But this that we cook with love. We never compromise the preparation.
Okay, I think I found my favorite Nyonya Laksa place ever, because it is very rare to have a laksa that is also refreshing, because you also need the richness of the coconut milk and the broth. But this one, while it's rich in lots of flavors, and you can actually taste the prawn broth as well, it is actually refreshing, and it keeps you wanting to eat more. And because if it's too heavy, you can't finish the whole bowl. But I think I can go on forever with this. So let's take a bit of tofu.
Nyonya cuisine, it requires a lot of preparation, tedious steps.
Right.
You know, we follow. You know, just that we managed to produce in masses with the help of automation, but not compromising on the time and the steps.
Okay, I've done lots of videos on nasi lemak, and it's a national dish. Everybody just has nasi lemak videos all the time. But here at Limapulo, they have fried chicken rendang, which is basically, it's not meant to be fried, but they fry chicken and make sure that there's some lovely rendang spices in it. So let's check out how this Nyonya version with fried chicken tastes like. So I've got a bit of rice, I've got a bit of chicken, and the sambal. Wow! The chicken, the crispy rendang chicken, so tangy, so fragrant. It's very good. It's very good. Yes. This is the bingka ubi, which is made with cassava, with a bit of sugar, and again rice flour. So that's what we use a lot of in Malaysia. Let's try it. One of my favorite. Oh yeah. This beautiful thing is the Sri Muka, which at the bottom it's a bit blue because they use the bunga telang, which is a blue flower, blue flowered tea. And the top it's like a pandan custard, which is a bit more firm than the usual custard. So let's try this out. Okay, I've just eaten everything on the menu, and the last thing I'm going to eat is the ayam Pongteh. Every Peranakan house, every Nyonya house has their own version, so I want to check it out. Lovely, lot of onions. You know that when you see a lot of onions in there, it is authentic, and you can have the aroma of the soy sauce. Look at that. Look at that. Nice and hot. Yes. Ooh. Tasty. Ooh. It's like grandma made it.
We are still doing our best. It's not 100%, but we will try our utmost best. I mean, to bring this food abroad.
Yes. Yes.
Right. This is truly one Malaysia food that we should be all proud of it.
Yes.
I do hope that you can come and try our food in Taman Shanghai or our main outlet in Jalan Doraisamy, called the Limapulo. Alright, and my godfather is always there to welcome you. He's almost 80, but he's never stopped working even though through this pandemic. We do hope that you can give us some support. You know, we are selling at a very affordable price, so everybody can enjoy this good food. Thank you.
Thank you.